I bought this work table, Home Depot. It's a Husky. It's 1,500 pounds capacity portable workbench. So this is great for what I need. And I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, so let me get my scissors. And remove this, and I'm gonna make this bench my workbench. Okay, all right. This is a small table, but it works pretty well actually. I like it. Okay, let me put the legs on. Okay, nice. This is one. This is great. This is the circular saw, and this is nice. So now what I gotta do is I gotta put the saw. Tools are ready, so I got my saw working, ready for business. I also have a wood chisel for whatever I need. I got a square, brand new. Let me open it up because I'm gonna need this one a lot. Let me put the old trash over there. So I got 2 inches nail. I got finishing nails, so for 1 1/4 inch. I got a few 2.5 inch nails, and I have a bunch of 2.5 screws for wood. So these are actually what I got. Then I have a measuring tape, I have a pencil, and a bunch of tools over there. So let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is I got this right here. approximately 4 hours. I'm gonna call it a day. This is how it looks like right now. So I have the back, I have the sides almost completed, and I got the outline of the front. And tomorrow I'm gonna work on the roof and just complete everything else. And the final thing that I'm gonna do is to work on the front, because that's the part that has to look better. So. Hi, this is day 2 of the birdhouse project. So this is how I stopped working last night. So I'm gonna keep on working. I'm gonna continue with the walls and the roof and the front. Okay, painting is done. I just need to paint the inside. I will do it tomorrow. I'm gonna let it dry for the night, and tomorrow I'll show you the final results. But I'm working right now on removing all the forage for that post, and then I'm gonna just clean it up, sandpaper it, paint it, and then I'm gonna dig a hole right over there to put the house. Emily's with me right now.
Yeah.
And
I want to be
painting
in my
the post.
dick. I want to be in my dick.
Your stick.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can paint.
No. Don't paint it.
I think it, Daddy. I think it, Daddy. Green?
Green, yes, green.
Oh, then.
I am giving the final touches to the house. Okay, this is the final touches. Getting very, very close. I just want to give you a final look of the house. This is how it looks like, and I'm hoping to see lots of birds coming to it. I'll keep you posted on that. Thanks for following. Thanks for being here. This is once again Ticos in Georgia. This is my channel. This is our lives. Thank you for being with us, and please subscribe, please share, and let us know what you think about the house. Thank you so much. Bye.